What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Atome. First, open the Atome app and go to the Me tab, then tap Account and Security, followed by Update Mobile Number. If you still have access to your old number, follow the verification steps and enter your new mobile number. However, if you no longer have access to your old number, select No. Atom may ask you to verify your mobile ownership by providing a recent mobile bill or contract and other documents if required. Upload the requested documents and submit them for verification. Once Atom approves your request, your mobile number will be updated. And that's it. That's how you change your number on Atom. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.